Okay, hon.
First, okay? I'll be behind you.
Come down this way.
Santa go? He ate all our cookies. Mommy, he ate all our cookies. Hey, guess what? A washing machine.
Billy, stay seated on it. Let me get a picture.
And a washing machine. And look. And a wagon. And a wagon. What's this?
Go ahead, guys. Tori, dig in. Tori.
And I got a wagon.
Can we get a picture of them sitting in front of their piles real quick?